What's up, guys? My name is Tyler Babin, and I'm an alumni of the Adobe Creative Residency program. I'm super excited because today I'm sitting down with my new friend, Christina Poku, who was just announced as a 2020 Adobe Creative Resident focusing in photography. Christina, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited. I'm Christina Poku, and I'm a photographer and art director based in London, and I'm a 2020 Adobe Creative Resident.
Talk to me about what your project is that you're going to be working on for the next year.
My project is about the idea of technology as abundance. I'll be working across photography, creating GIFs and using set design to create stage scenes that explore the idea of how technology can create growth and build community. I did photography at school, so I actually studied photography and art as well. I always did like art and drawing as a kid, and I enjoyed it because I found it quite challenging. And I remember the first time I printed off my work just being like, oh my god, the colours are so amazing. I still always loved doing art, but photography was like my baby after that. Well, I'm doing two side projects that I'm super excited about. One of them is I'm going to be starting a TikTok, which will be partly about myself, my journey, and documenting behind the scenes aspects of my journey on the residency. But also I'm going to be focusing on mobile. Lots of creatives who are younger or can't afford like super expensive technology can begin to like understand aspects of like lighting and composition and how to capture and edit through just having the access to a mobile, which a lot more people have than maybe having like the access to super expensive equipment. So it's like a big full circle moment for me where like the younger me who just used to play about to have fun has suddenly managed to work for this company who's actually been alongside my life when I was just having fun as like a kid who enjoyed art to being like the main tools I use as a creative professional. So it's really like quite an honour to be able to be part of Adobe now.